What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the name Judas? Traitor, right? The guy who betrayed not only Jesus, but his fellow disciples when he did so. The name Judas has become a name you don't want to be referred to as. It's bad. You don't want to be a backstabbing snake. Let's look at this text in Matthew 26, where we get Judas's betrayal. Then Judas Iscariot, one of the 12 disciples, went to the leading priest and asked, "How much will you pay me to betray Jesus to you?" This is the NLT version. And they gave him 30 pieces of silver. From that time on, Judas began looking for an opportunity to betray Jesus. And we see he accomplishes that in Matthew 26, 47 through 50. It says, "And even as Jesus said this being a rebuke for his disciples falling asleep in the garden and as he was praying, even as Jesus said this, Judas, one of the 12 disciples, arrived with a crowd of men armed with swords and clubs. They had been sent by the leading priest and elders of the people. The traitor, Judas, had given them a prearranged signal. You will know which one to arrest when I greet him with a kiss. So Judas came straight to Jesus. Greetings, Rabbi, he exclaimed and gave him the kiss. Jesus said, my friend, go ahead and do what you have come for. The others grabbed Jesus and arrested him. And that's what everyone knows or remembers about Judas. They don't remember that Jesus chose Judas. Judas, before the betrayal, was committed to an extent just like the rest of the disciples. He gave everything to follow. He was actively involved in ministry and even given supernatural gifts. Luke chapter 9 verses 1 and 2 says, one day Jesus called together his 12 disciples and gave them power and authority to cast out all demons and to heal all diseases. He then sent them out to tell everyone about the kingdom of God and to heal the sick. That included Judas. Judas Iscariot was a demon-casting, disease-healing, gospel-preaching, chosen disciple of Jesus Christ. Yet, one choice, one sin, one regret, that everything that Judas had ever done good was forgotten. And he's only now remembered as the one who betrayed Jesus, because choices have lasting impacts. Choices determine things. Choices matter. So let me ask you, what choices do you want to be remembered for? What choices do you want people to remember you for? Start making them now.